Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video actually I'm going to show you how anyone can actually make let's say you have a header and you want to make it sticky, so how you can actually do this. So here you can see this is a header, and we want to actually do some style, and let me just tell you that if I scroll down it's gone, right, the header. So let's say I want to go at the top, so we can actually select through this, right, okay, or like this. So I want to go to the top. Here you can see in this style I have set universal margin and padding 0, and let's say I want to actually access the header, so I will say header header header, let's say text align center. It's normal CSS just okay, and I want to set background color, let's say green, and I want to set padding, I mean little bit space inside the header, okay, so let's say 20 pixel. If I go here, refresh, now you can see this is the header, but if I scroll down it's gone. So what I have to do, I just have to say here position, and that is fixed, and I just have to mention here top 0. If I go here, refresh, now you can see my header is fixed, right, but you can see I lost the width. So what I have to do here, I just have to mention the width, and that is 100%. Refresh. Oh wow, it's working, right? So I got a sticky header, and as usual you can actually create a sticky footer also, so I will actually discuss it in the new video. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.